Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off microphone on Google Meet. So first of all, what you have to do is join a meeting. Now once you're in a Google Meet meeting, then to mute your microphone, as you can see, my microphone is not muted. As I speak, this icon changes, which means my microphone is not muted. So to mute the microphone, it's very easy. Simply click on the microphone icon, or you can also mute your microphone with the shortcut key Ctrl+T on your keyboard. So I will click on the microphone button. As you can see, it will show me, are you talking? Your mic is off. Click on the mic to turn it on. That's because my mic is muted right now. So that's simply how you can mute your microphone. Now, if you want to unmute your microphone once again, simply click on this button or microphone icon, or this time I will select the shortcut key, which is Ctrl+T. As you can see, now my microphone is unmuted once again. So that's simply how you can turn off microphone on Google Meet. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.